10 richest Igbo Nollywood actors. Igbotica production. Here is a list of the 10 richest Igbo Nollywood actors. This list was compiled based on their visible achievements and careers. This is by KC, July 26, 2015. Number 1. Pete Edochie, born 7th March 1947, is a Nigerian actor. Edochie is considered one of Africa's most talented actors by both Movie Awards and Movie Magic's Africa Magic Cable Network. Although a seasoned administrator and broadcaster, he came into prominence in 1980s when he played the lead role of Okonkwo in an NTA adaptation of Chinua Achebe's all-time best-selling novel, Things Fall Apart. Number 2. Anayo Modestus Onyekwere, popularly known as Kanayo O Kanayo. Kanayo O Kanayo was born in March 1st, 1962 in Mbaise, Imo State, Nigeria. In 2006, he won the African Movie Academy Award for the Best Actor in a Leading Role. In 1992, Kanayo made his debut film appearance in the film Living in Bondage. Kanayo has starred in over 100 films. He was a United Nations ambassador and bears the title of Member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR. Number 3. Nkem Owo, better known as Osofia. Osofia is one of the veterans of comedy movies in Nigeria. He acted in 2003 film Osofia in London. He is also known for performing the song I Go Chop Your Dollar. In 2008, he won the African Movie Academy Award for the Best Actor in a Leading Role. Number 4. John Okafor, often called Mr. Ibu after his most popular role. He is a Nollywood actor and a comedian. Okafor is considered to be one of Nigeria's most talented comic characters. His humorous acting is often characterized by stupidity, hilarious imbecility, and a sharp disconnection from reality. Number 5. Kenneth Okonkwo. Kenneth Okonkwo is popularly known as Andy Okeke from his very popular movie, Living in Bondage. Kenneth was born in Nsukka, Enugu State. He had a background in business and international law before he went into acting in 1992. Number 6 is Osita Iheme. Widely known for playing the role of Popo in the film Akenokwa. In 2007, Osita received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the African Movie Academy Awards. He is considered to be one of Nigeria's most famous actors. In 2011, he was honored as member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR. Number 7 is Chinedu Ikedieze, best known for playing alongside Osita Iheme in most movies, after a breakthrough in the movie Akenokwa. In 2007, Ikedieze received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the African Movie Academy Awards. Number 8 is Mike Ezuronye. Mike Ezuronye was born in September 21. Mike is a Nigerian actor who finished from the University of Nsukka. He received 2 nominations for Best Actor in a Supporting Role and Best Actor in a Leading Role at the African Movie Academy Awards in 2008 and 2009. Number 9. Jim Ike. James Ikechukwu Esomowa, popularly known as Jim Ike, is a Nigerian actor in Nigerian movie industry called Nollywood and one of the stars of the movie Last Flight to Abuja. Jim Ike is one of the highest paid actors in Nollywood and has appeared in over 150 films. He started a movie production company called Untamed Productions in 2007. And number 10 is Nonso Diobu. He was first seen in Borderline film, shot to publicity with his role in Hatred. He has since featured in more than 60 movies and is an ambassador for a popular telecommunication company in Nigeria. God bless you. This article is still by is by KC, July 26, 2015. Thanks for listening to Igbotical Productions on Igbo Nigeria TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel on Igbo Nigeria TV for more updates on the Igbo people. Bye for now.